We're Dream Car Giveaways, and today we've got something a little bit different on offer. You might know us for giving away cars and tech bundles, but today we're giving away this 350Z, but not only that, you get to learn how to drift. We've teamed up with Tessa Whittock, who's a Monster Energy and Team Driftworks driver, and she's going to teach you how to drift. Now back to Tessa Whittock in the studio to give you the rundown on the details.
Hi, I'm Tessa Whittock. I am a Monster Energy athlete and Team Driftworks driver, and I've been drifting for about 10 years now, and this will be my 5th year of competition. I also own RDX Drift Academy, and I'm teaming up with Dream Car Giveaways to give away this Nissan 350Z and some packages with RDX Drift Academy. Now, you will get the bronze and the silver experience. We'll do that in one day. Now, the bronze, we will set you out with just an hour's experience to get your taster into it. And then the silver experience is for 3 hours, and that is split between 3 people. It's actually quite good to get out the car and watch somebody else get out there and drift as well. Go on to one-to-one, which is the gold experience for 3 hours, which will be on a separate day, and then we'll ramp you up and get you out on track for a one-to-one for an entire day on track at Three Sisters race circuit. A little about this little beauty of a 350Z. 1, she's very clean. 2, she has been tuned by TDI North, and she's running about 316 brake horsepower. Now, this car is set up to drift, so we've put a Driftworks hydro handbrake in her and a cast 2-way differential. So she will drift, and we want you to do it sensibly on a track somewhere, and that's what we are here for, to help you drift safely. In the interior, we've got OMP Bucket Seats, we've got NRG snap-off Bose and steering wheel, and also not forgetting the snazzy camouflage Luke harnesses. Under the bonnet of this 350Z, we've obviously got a 3.5 V6. She's fairly standard, all standard internals, but we've got a few little trick bits, like we've got the Samco hoses all round, and Mishimoto radiator and electric fans. We've got a K&N air filter with a little carbon fibre shroud. I do love this car. I do own a few of them, so this one I happen to love a lot. I don't know whether it's the BC coilovers or it's the anti-roll bars, but this car feels so together and it pulls lovely. I know it's only a 350Z, but she's a good 350Z, and I love her a lot. I'm actually quite sad to see this go. But whoever wins this definitely will get some thrills for sure. She looks the dogs, really does, in the metallic black, and she sounds awesome. Oh, freaking love this car. She looks good, she sounds good, she feels good. Ah, very jealous.
Not only do you win this 350Z drift car, but you also get taught how to use it by professional drift driver Tessa Whittock. Head over to our site, dreamcargiveaways.co.uk, to be in with a chance of winning. Good luck!